Someone bought my book a few days ago. If that was you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm the best-selling author and a visionary leader in the world of music and art, known as New Power Art. If you bought this book, it is not just a book, and you join a moment. And I wrote the book. I have the mission. The mission is printed in my book on the top. Weave music, hope, love, thoughts, and tradition into a style that unites Eastern, Western art and make a better you and a better world. And this book, and I will talk of this book in detail later. And some people might ask me, I have already wrote 5 books. So if you want to know more business, I will introduce more about this book later. And if you want to make money and you want to know more business information, these 3 books will be suitable for you. So let me talk it in order. So spark fire, art, wealth, and success. So talk more about the business part, and also I mentioned about write a book. And for this one is creating wealth. It's also more related to the business part. So it's 18 secret. So a transformational guide to build a brand and increase income, impact, and influence. So this one is also more than business part. Make money, okay? And for this one, YouTube rising. So 22 secret. So from 0 to 1,000. So make money. So these 3 books is talk more about the business part. And for this book is the roadmap. If you want to success in the music, and success in music made simple. So this one is roadmap. So this the book have a different focus, right from different angle. Now I'm going to talk about the chapter 1. So if you buy this book, you are not just buy the book. So you join the moment, and also we want to make a better world. You join our mission. The chapter 1. Okay, here's the chapter 1. So I want to emphasize this part, the urgency of real human connection. The reason I emphasize this is because right now AI can generate the content very fast. You can create the video. If you use the AI to create a video, one day you can create 100 video. The music you can create the music by the software to create the music. Right now, how to stand out in the age of AI? It is very urgent to the urgency of real human connection. I spent lots of effort to gather the people together. AI is easy. They have algorithm. They can promote your video by the algorithm and send to different place and then let you watch. However, we need to the engagement with a real human being, and especially in the AI age. too much information, like a flood everywhere. So I want to emphasize the urgency of real human connection. The other one I want to talk about is in the chapter, in the Secret 5, the power of music branding, how to understand in the flood of the information. We must to build our music branding. Without the music brand, how to differentiate between you and the other people? It's the same, okay? So build up the music branding is very, very important. And here I will mention a few points. Is building identity and recognition. You need to stand out. And also I talk about establishing trust and credibility. We need to build up the trust too. AI is a machine. We need to build up. We have emotion, we have love, we have thought. You know, we like, we feel it. We touched by something. So we need to build up. We need to build up the trust, and also facilitating connection and engagement. So you know, we need to engage. We need to engage it, and also driving success and sustainability. So this is the importance of building music branding, and the danger of neglecting music branding. So if you totally ignore it, how to stand out? Have you think about it? So we shouldn't ignore it. So in our daily life, we try to be consistent. For example, if we ignore it, if we have inconsistent messaging, so how to build up the trust? So in the book, the information, and I gave you the highlight in the age of AI, when we how to engage with our audience, and we get the people together. AI can promote by the algorithm, but we, by human being, we make the effort, get people together, we make an engagement, we build up our branding, okay? And so this is I want to share with you, and there's some other things. If you haven't got this book, grab a copy, okay? So in a fast changing world, especially the technology change very fast. AI, last year and this year, 5 years ago, 5 years later, 10 years later, 20 years later, probably is a whole new world. Even the way the job is right now, AI can do the doctor's work, and AI can do the editor's work. In the past, good or bad is by human being to review. Human being read the book. Human being watch your video and decide good or bad. Right now is by AI, by the algorithm, by the the backend. We have some like the click rate, retention, something like that, and the AI can make the decision based on those number, based on those rate. So still we need to build up the real human beings engagement. And to write this book in the AI age, it make me think deeply. In the years of AI, how to build up the new stage when we facing the challenge. And then I write the book, and also I have the international event, and we have this music festival, and I wrote this book. This book share my journey, it's not like I only write the things. I also perform on the music festival. I compose music. So in a music festival, I perform something, like sing a song and together with the other artists. And in this book, and I talk about how to build up the music festival and embrace the AI, the age of AI. So, to the one who bought it, you are not just a reader. Right now, you are part of the story now. If the message touches you, don't forget to leave a comment or write the review. And share your thought, and let's grow together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and to make this video reach more people and help more audience. Let's keep the music alive, and even in the AI age. Thank you for your support. See you next time. Bye bye.